Good morning. I'm at a little shelter. It's going to rain today. It's right off of Beer Garden? Beer Garden Hostel, I think it's called. And I had a nice night in the shelter with Blackbeard here. Just waking up, stretching my lungs, and gonna take a zero and catch up on some of these videos because I'm so far behind. But yeah, you know, Blackbeard's got his out up to date and I'm like 10 days behind. So I'm feeling like I need to play a little catch up today. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So hopefully you're caught up and you like what you're seeing. I'm having a great time out here, time of my life. Don't ever want to come home. Aside from that, digging holes to poop is often a challenge. Today I had to walk through poison ivy on a hill to get there. But hey, for no rent, free Wi-Fi and electricity at this shelter and a cool little campsite, you can't go wrong.
All right, I finally did get to you though. All right, finally.
And there's the trail right down there.
You got 63 fucking followers, bro.
Really? Dude, last time I looked, I had 30. That's cool.
Yeah. All right, dog. I'm going to do this
Good
now.
to see you, brother.
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah,
I'll see you down the trail.
Yeah. Don't ever cook your shoes.
Yeah, right? They don't taste good. Bert, Bear Garden Hostel. Nice place. I would stay there, but I didn't. Last night stayed over here in a pavilion. Great people. Should have stopped in there, but cost less to stay in the pavilion. Getting back on trail. Here we go. Okay, good morning, starting late. Took a zero yesterday, edited a couple videos, could not get any uploaded. Long and short, today is a lot of uphill to begin with. Then dry stretch for about 12 miles somewhere along the way, if I'm gonna go that far. It's been raining all day yesterday. Really didn't video anything, maybe a little bit at that shelter. I stayed there for the day because they had Wi-Fi and electric. Anyhow, good morning. Here's the creek behind the shelter that I stayed at. Lots of rainwater today. It's moving. And right down there is where I stayed underneath in that pavilion. You can't really see it, but that's it. All right, let's get a move on. Got to get some miles in today. Make up for that zero. Supposed to have a good 2 days worth of weather, 2.5. So the trail should be moist. Hopefully it doesn't get too warm. It's nice and cool. Probably about 62, 64. Oh, there we go, up the stairs. I'll catch up. Well, this is not Maul, and it's not Darth Maul either. Those tricksters. Shelter north 9 miles, shelter south 10 miles, if you wanted to know. This is the shelter that is not Maul. Thank goodness. Not Maul probably means the bears ain't gonna eat you. Nice grill if you ever needed it. And the picnic table. Look at this picnic table. This is a picnic table that is very flat and very thick and very level. So I would imagine that aside from one chip, that this would make the quicksand rating of 9 because of its sturdiness, thickness, and levelness. It would have got a 10 if the boards were closer together in the middle, but that could be a bonus to keep rolly things from walking away. And he would probably downgrade the chip, but that's not the fault of the maker. That's the fault of abusers. So I would say quicksand rating for the picnic table at Not Mall Shelter is a 9, solid 9. Quicksand, if you disagree, just mention it in the comments. Look at the roof. It's actually plastic. It probably sounds good when it rains too. Better than tin. Okay, carry on. Where's the trail? Looks like it goes that way. Okay, second creek in the day because of the rain. There's no place to walk over for rocks. So, got to take my shoes off and put my water shoes on. Such a pain in the butt. I know I'm going to have to do that 2 or 3 times today. And you really can't walk with the water shoes on because you can feel every rock. So, yeah, it's time to take the shoes off again. Number 2. The next one will be bigger. Ooh, some jelly mold. And some big fungus, whatever that is. Look at the creek. It's moving. It's moving. Underneath this old bridge. Mossy old bridge. Yeah, you can tell it's been raining. I think those are edible honey caps. I think they are, but I'm not trying them because I'm not sure. Hey, what's up, man? I got it on. I'm coming back to my camera in a minute.
That's like take your breath away.
Yeah, it's chilly.
You're doing it. Come on to that rope.